Hey Dad,
Yes.
what is this plant?
This is called Purslane weed. Well, let's tell the audience here. Hi, this is Tyrell Jackson from my garden. Now you know that you have free healthcare in your backyard. And this is my little son, Nathan Jackson. Say hi, Nathan.
Hi.
What he was asking me was, what was this particular plant? This is a Purslane weed. Now it's called a weed because a lot of people understand call any plant a weed when it grows wildly in your yard and such. Yeah, you'll find this here in your driveway, on your pavement and such. But this is actually a superfood. It's well known in European and Asian countries as a delicacy. You can eat it raw. The leaf has a lemony taste. The stem has a bean sprout taste to it. But it's used in teas, as a tea, used in soup, stir fry with it, all type of meals. What it contains is the beauty of it. It has omega-3, calcium, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, iron, copper, magnesium, potassium. This plant is loaded with benefits. And if you're a woman, as most women here in the U.S. are iron deficient, that copper is needed in order for iron to be properly absorbed into your body. So this is a very good complement to your health. Now, there's you want to do this. You want to take it in moderation, of course, because there's certain ingredients in there that contribute to building up kidney stones in your body. But again, it has many benefits. You can easily grow it. It's a very resilient plant, as you see here. It flourishes when it properly given the right type of attention. Nevertheless, you can find it in some Whole Food stores or online, such as Amazon.com. You get it as the leaf in a powder format, or you can buy the seeds and plant them yourself. Again, this is one of my favorite plants. I use it in smoothies, teas, soups, etc. I hope this helped you. And if you have any questions, be sure to contact us here from my garden. Until next time, think right, eat right.
Dad,
Yes.
let them know to subscribe.
Yes. Please subscribe from my garden. You can find us on YouTube. Thank you. Have a good day, sir.